Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva Elements, and these are shapes, icons, and graphics. To access Elements, click Elements in the left panel, and here you can find shapes, shadows, frames, icons, you name it. You can literally swipe through here and see the variety that is offered here. Take for instance shapes. You can select shapes right here and it will give you options to choose from. So you'll find rectangles, circles, and other geometric shapes to create layouts, borders, or highlights. So these are in form of graphics, frames, photos, as well as videos. And then there are also mock-ups that you can choose from. Going to the search bar, you can also type in icons and it will open up a variety of icons that you can choose. For instance, this telephone icon here. Let us search graphics and we can import that onto our canvas as well. And one thing that I want you to note is when you see the crown here, it is telling you that these are premium assets. So these are only available if you're paying for Canva. If you're not paying for it and you select it to use onto your graphic, once you're supposed to export it, you're going to have a little bit of trouble to export the graphics. So you'd have to choose one that is free, like for instance, this one. In your graphics, you can also use lines and borders. So you would head back to your search bar and type in, for instance, lines, and you can see the different types that are available. You have the dotted lines, you have the straight line, you have lines with the points at the ends or arrow. You can choose whichever one you want to use depending on what you're designing. These are very decorative dividers to organize your designs. And then lastly, Canva also offers stickers for you to use in your designs. You can find them as graphics, you can find them as photos, mock-ups, and videos. Videos will give you a little more animated look. And then of course, you're able to customize your elements. So take for instance, this telephone icon that I have, I can literally go to the top toolbar and change the color to match any of my brand that I'm currently working with. Can change the color, it doesn't matter. And it is just a fun way for you to get creative with your design. Lastly, you can even layer your elements on your canvas. So let us increase the size. And here we have the telephone icon behind these two other elements. So to layer these, you can simply go to your toolbar and select position. And here you can rearrange the position of the telephone icon, for instance. So you can put it to the middle. The other one is actually selected. So this element is selected. So you can put it to the middle, to the center. You can put it backwards. Let it go to the extreme back or to the extreme front. And you can even adjust the height and width of your elements, and that is a fun way for you to go about repositioning your elements on your page. Elements help you structure your layout and add creative touches that make your design stand out. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.